In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Shopify color swatches to your product and collection pages. Adding color swatches can greatly enhance the shopping experience for your customers, making it easier for them to visualize the different options available. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, start by logging into your Shopify account. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand sidebar where you'll see an option labeled Online Store. Click on it, and this will bring you to the Theme section. This is where all the magic happens concerning the appearance and functionality of your store. Now you'll want to click on the Customize button associated with your current theme. This will open up the theme editor, a powerful tool that allows you to make visual tweaks and adjustments to your store's layout without having to dive into complex coding. It's really user-friendly, so don't worry if you're not a tech wizard. For this tutorial, we're assuming you're using the Dawn theme or a similar theme that supports swatches. If your theme doesn't support swatches, you might have to consider updating it or contacting your theme's support for assistance. Once inside the Customize menu, look for Theme Settings at the bottom of the left sidebar and click on it. This area controls many of the global settings for your theme. Next, navigate to Variant Options or sometimes simply Swatches. This is where you will enable the Color Swatches feature. When you find the Swatches section, you'll see an option to enable color swatches. Click to enable this feature. This is a crucial step because it activates the visual representation of your product variants, which in this case is color. Now, it's time to select the specific option name that corresponds to your color variants. Usually this is titled Color, but it might be different if you've customized it previously. Ensure that the name you select matches the variant name in your product listings exactly. Otherwise, the swatches won't appear as they should. Once you've selected the correct color option name, don't forget to click the Save button at the top right corner of the page. This saves all the changes you've made and applies them to your store. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added color swatches to your Shopify product and collection pages. This small enhancement can make a big difference in how your customers interact with your products, potentially increasing engagement and sales. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Happy selling!